Burnout, anxiety, pressure to always be on. But what if we said no more? Gen X creatives, we're not lazy. We're just done playing their game. In this video, I'm going to show you why the Gen X mindset is rejecting hustle culture and how we're building a better, freer, more creative life on our own terms. Stay with me to the end because I'll be sharing a direct path to start reclaiming your creative life today. And hey, if this hits home, hit like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let's show the algorithm what real creativity looks like. And if you hang around right until the end, I have something a little bit special for you. You see, hustle culture sold us a dream. Work harder, work longer. Outperform the algorithm and earn your worth. But the dream turned toxic. Music became content. Art became output. And purpose, well, that got swallowed by productivity. Somewhere in that grind, we lost something real. We were the first analog kids. 4-track warriors. Zine makers, mixtape curators, the ones who believed music could change the world. We weren't chasing followers, we were chasing feelings. We didn't need an audience, we needed truth. We lived through both worlds. Raw, real creativity and the monetized version that came after. And now we know which one actually matters. And it's precisely that analog truth that makes us uniquely equipped to fight the digital noise so prevalent today. We did what we were told. We built careers, pushed through the pain. We chased success and we paid in energy, time and health until we couldn't take it anymore. Some of us quit, some of us sold out, some just disappeared. And yet, we thought maybe our time was over, but it wasn't the end. It was just the turning point. Now, something's shifting. Quietly, organically, a low hum turning into a movement. We're making music again, not for likes, but for life. We're not quitting, we're realigning. Not lazy, we're intentional. This isn't about stepping back, it's about stepping differently. We're building something sustainable, creativity without burnout, deep instead of fast, mindful instead of manic. Music as mindfulness, expression as rebellion, slowness as power. Action as intention, connection as currency. We never sold out, we just found a better way. If you felt that shift, if you're done with the hustle culture, then maybe you're a quiet rebel too. Drop a comment and tell me, when did you know the grind wasn't really worth it? Like this video if it speaks to you, subscribe for more mindful music, midlife rebellion and creative freedom. And stick around next week, we'll dive into how to actually live this new philosophy without burning out or going broke. Oh, and before you go, there's a free gift waiting for you in the description. Just follow it, my fellow rebels. My 5-minute musician guide is waiting for you, designed to help you reclaim your creative flow one small step at a time. Thank you for watching. You're not alone in this. We're building something better together. See you next week.